Are you tired of constant bathroom trips, discomfort or pain caused by an enlarged prostate? Imagine finding relief through natural remedies instead of medications. Today we're revealing the tiny, powerful vitamins that can help shrink an enlarged prostate and improve your quality of life. These vitamins are not only easy to incorporate into your routine, but also target the root causes of prostate issues, such as inflammation and hormonal imbalances. An enlarged prostate or benign prostatic hyperplasia can disrupt daily life with symptoms like frequent urination, weak urine flow, and bladder discomfort. By understanding how specific vitamins support prostate health, you can take control and make informed choices to enhance your overall well-being. Let's dive into these vitamins and discover how they can make a difference in your prostate health. Zinc, the hormone stabilizer. Zinc is a vital nutrient that plays a central role in regulating hormones and maintaining prostate health. It inhibits the enzyme 5-alpha reductase, which converts testosterone into dihydrotestosterone, a hormone strongly linked to prostate enlargement. By keeping DHT levels in check, zinc helps prevent excessive growth of the prostate, alleviating symptoms like frequent urination and weak urine flow. Zinc also supports immune function, enhancing the body's ability to combat infections that may exacerbate prostate issues. Beyond hormonal regulation, zinc's anti-inflammatory properties contribute significantly to reducing swelling in the prostate. Chronic inflammation is a common factor in benign prostatic hyperplasia, and zinc helps to minimize this by neutralizing inflammatory markers. Additionally, zinc supports cell repair and regeneration, which is essential for maintaining healthy prostate tissues. Studies have shown that men with prostate problems often have lower zinc concentrations in their prostate gland, making adequate intake crucial. Zinc is naturally found in foods like oysters, pumpkin seeds, beef, and fortified cereals. For those who prefer supplements, it's important to stick to recommended dosages, as excessive zinc can lead to nutrient imbalances and interfere with the absorption of copper. Incorporating zinc-rich foods into your diet is a natural and effective way to promote prostate health and overall wellness. If you're still dealing with these frustrating symptoms of an enlarged prostate, there's a powerful natural solution that's been helping men all over the world. Check out the link in the description for a doctor-recommended prostate remedy that might be just what you need. Vitamin D, the inflammation fighter. Vitamin D is indispensable for regulating cell growth and supporting prostate health. It binds to vitamin D receptors in prostate cells, promoting proper cell differentiation and preventing excessive proliferation that leads to an enlarged prostate. This nutrient also helps manage inflammation by suppressing pro-inflammatory cytokines and boosting anti-inflammatory compounds, providing relief from swelling and discomfort associated with benign prostatic hyperplasia. With its anti-inflammatory properties, vitamin D directly targets one of the primary causes of prostate enlargement. In addition to reducing inflammation, vitamin D enhances immune function, making the body more resilient against infections that could worsen prostate conditions. Prostatitis, an infection of the prostate, can intensify BPH symptoms, and vitamin D's immune-boosting abilities help fend off such issues. Furthermore, studies suggest that vitamin D may offer protective benefits against prostate cancer by regulating cell growth and reducing the risk of abnormal cell proliferation. To maintain optimal vitamin D levels, aim for regular sunlight exposure and include foods like fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified dairy products in your diet. For those with limited sun exposure or deficiencies, supplements are a reliable option, but it's essential to consult a healthcare provider to ensure safe and effective dosage. Selenium is a trace mineral known for its powerful antioxidant properties, which protect prostate cells from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. This protection helps reduce inflammation and slows the progression of prostate enlargement, making selenium a key nutrient for managing BPH. Selenium also works synergistically with other antioxidants, such as vitamin E, to enhance its protective effects, further safeguarding prostate health. Research suggests that selenium plays a role in reducing the risk of prostate cancer. By supporting cellular health and regulating cell growth, selenium helps prevent abnormal cell changes that can lead to cancerous developments. Additionally, selenium aids in repairing DNA damage, ensuring the prostate remains healthy and resilient against environmental and metabolic stressors. Incorporating selenium into your diet is simple, with foods like Brazil nuts, sunflower seeds, seafood and whole grains. Just 1 or 2 Brazil nuts a day can provide the recommended daily intake of selenium. If you opt for supplements, be cautious, as excessive selenium intake can lead to toxicity, causing symptoms like nausea and fatigue. Vitamin C is renowned for its antioxidant capabilities, which protect prostate cells from oxidative damage and reduce inflammation. Inflammation is a major contributor to prostate enlargement, and vitamin C helps alleviate symptoms like frequent urination and pelvic discomfort by combating inflammatory markers. Additionally, this vitamin supports collagen production, which is crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of prostate tissues. A well-functioning immune system is another benefit of vitamin C, as it strengthens the body's defenses against infections that can exacerbate BPH. Prostatitis, often caused by bacterial infections, can worsen symptoms, and vitamin C's immune-boosting properties help prevent such complications. Moreover, vitamin C enhances the absorption of other key nutrients like iron, ensuring the body remains nourished and capable of supporting prostate health. Citrus fruits, like oranges, lemons and grapefruits, along with strawberries, bell peppers and broccoli, are excellent sources of vitamin C. To maximize its benefits, aim for fresh whole foods rather than relying solely on supplements, which may lack the additional nutrients found in natural sources. Vitamin B6 is essential for balancing hormones, particularly testosterone and DHT, both of which influence prostate health. By regulating the production and utilization of these hormones, B6 helps prevent the overgrowth of prostate tissue that leads to enlargement. It also supports enzymatic reactions within the prostate, ensuring proper cellular function and metabolism. In addition to hormone regulation, vitamin B6 has notable anti-inflammatory properties that reduce swelling in the prostate gland. Chronic inflammation is a driving factor behind BPH, and B6 helps alleviate these symptoms by modulating inflammatory pathways. Furthermore, B6 supports immune health, helping the body resist infections that could worsen prostate conditions. Rich sources of vitamin B6 include poultry, fish, potatoes, bananas, and fortified cereals. For those with dietary restrictions, B6 supplements can be a convenient alternative, but it's crucial to follow recommended dosages to avoid potential side effects. Vitamin E, the tissue protector. Vitamin E's potent antioxidant properties make it a powerful ally in protecting prostate cells from oxidative stress. This nutrient helps neutralize free radicals, reducing cellular damage and inflammation that contribute to prostate enlargement. By safeguarding prostate tissues, vitamin E slows the progression of BPH and alleviates associated symptoms. In addition to its antioxidant effects, vitamin E supports immune function, helping the body fight off infections that can aggravate prostate issues. It also plays a role in regulating cell growth and apoptosis, ensuring that prostate cells grow and die off in a controlled manner. This balance is crucial for maintaining normal prostate size and function. Sources of vitamin E include nuts, seeds, spinach and broccoli. Incorporating these foods into your diet regularly can provide significant health benefits for the prostate and beyond. Omega-3 fatty acids, the inflammation reducer. Omega-3 fatty acids, while not technically a vitamin, are essential for reducing inflammation in the prostate. These healthy fats, found in fish oil, flaxseed and walnuts, help combat chronic inflammation, which is a leading cause of BPH. Omega-3 EE also improves circulation, ensuring that prostate tissues receive adequate nutrients and oxygen. Additionally, omega-3s support hormonal balance by reducing the production of inflammatory hormones, further alleviating prostate enlargement. Regular consumption of omega-3-rich foods can significantly improve urinary function and reduce discomfort associated with BPH. To incorporate omega-3s into your diet, eat fatty fish like salmon and mackerel at least twice a week, or consider high-quality supplements. Consult a healthcare provider to determine the appropriate dosage for your needs. Magnesium, the muscle relaxer. Magnesium is crucial for maintaining healthy muscle function in the urinary tract and prostate. By relaxing the bladder and surrounding muscles, magnesium helps alleviate symptoms like urinary urgency and difficulty urinating. This mineral also regulates calcium levels, preventing calcification in the prostate and reducing the risk of enlargement. Magnesium's anti-inflammatory properties further support prostate health by minimizing swelling and promoting proper cellular function. It also contributes to overall cardiovascular health, which is closely linked to prostate function. Foods rich in magnesium include spinach, almonds, black beans, and whole grains. Incorporating these foods into your diet or using supplements under professional guidance can enhance your prostate health naturally. If you're looking to get relief from the enlarged prostate symptoms quickly, there's a unique prostate health juice that dissolves the root causes of discomfort. Click the link in the description to learn more about this potent remedy. By incorporating these 8 vitamins and nutrients into your daily routine, you can take proactive steps to shrink an enlarged prostate and enhance your quality of life. Whether through diet or supplementation, these natural remedies offer a safe and effective way to manage BPH symptoms. If you found this information helpful, consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more health